name is Thái Hân. I'm from GM5 Young Education. Today, I will talk about the hot pot in the world. Why endangered species are endangered. Tiger, mountain gorilla, the rhinoceros, giant panda are disappeared, and some specific plants are become extinct. Why they are endangered? In the past, they are extinct or disappear because the natural causes such as climate change. But today, this is not only impact for human activities. And today I will talk about the human activity that destroy plants and animals. The first in my lecture has 3 parts. I will talk about the first part important. That is the important reasons, the destructions and pollution. You know that some animals live in specific habitat, and when with destruction or pollution this habitat, they cannot adapt or they cannot to survive. For example, fish lives in water. Many ways to destroy this habitat. For example, forest, grassland, and desert are the specific habitat we create to give more area for people for living and working. For example, the farmers clear lands to grow crops, and people empty water from wet area like swamps to build wood, to build factory, and people build dams across the river to increase electricity to using. And pollution, water and air pollution destroy this habitat, and water and air pollution are result in factories and trust farming, especially for farming. And there are spills in acid rain. For example, you can see in the newspaper or TV or magazines, some dying birds are more covered with oil. Oil spills is the accident transportation in the ocean, and they spill into the oil to the water. And acid rain are causes by burn coal and oil. And the part 2 is illegal trade in wildlife, and some governments have some law to protect these endangered species, but they are not clear. And some like elephant, tiger, or rhinoceros are hunted illegally, and someone hunts it for food or for special part of their party. For example, elephants hunt them is not for food, for tusk, and they make tusk to sell for souvenir or collector. And tiger is not for meat. And there is for their fur. And 3,000 tigers in the world were killed for fur or anything. Rhinoceros is killed for horns, and typically for horn can make medicines, but not benefit medicinal. In 2007, is only 13 in the South Africa, but 3 years later, 333 rhinoceros was killed in South Africa, and the final reasons is the competition for habitat. As you know, animal and plant compete with other animal and plants for many reasons like food, water, or resources. But the native species face competition from introduced species, and the introduced species are often brought or introduced either on purpose or accident. For example, rabbits is not native Australia. They are native from Arabian. They are brought to Australia for food and for hunting to fun. That's every purpose. And they eat only specific plants and they destroy habitat in Australia. Some specific plants became disappear and they damage habitat. They are introduced on purpose. But besides, the prairie snake are introduced by accident and they are discharged large part of bird pollution of Guam. And to sum up, I will talk about 3 main parts in my lecture. Important reason is the destruction and pollution. 2 is illegal trade in wildlife, and 3 is competition for habitat. The relationship of living thing is complex, but each living thing depends on other, and human are part of nature world. Please protect the nature, protect our future. Thank you for listening.